Hello, Earl. It's technically no longer Thursday in Denmark, and I'm ridiculously tired. Yeah, it's the holiday, which means I've spent about a week not following any kind of normal sleep schedule. This is gonna be a problem come Monday morning. So I received an electronic letter from the local court this morning, which made me a bit nervous for a few seconds. But yeah, apparently I've just been called in as a witness to the whole traffic accident thing I was involved in December. And the Danish court system would like to inform me that if I don't show up, I'm gonna get arrested. That's gonna be a tremendous waste of a day. But on the bright side, I have a legal excuse for taking a Friday off school. If I have to go to court or else I'll get arrested isn't a legal excuse for non-attendance. Nothing will ever be. Also, my sister just spent like 2 hours of her life teaching me this. The math behind how, like, bacterial growth and how radioactive matter breaks down. There's an actual word for it, but I can't remember what it's called. I'm too tired. So, in a weird turn of events, I went drinking with my uncle Saturday, crashed on my grandparents' couch, and somehow returned home having borrowed this camera from my grandpa. This is all weirder than the one time I fell off 3 bar stools at once. But yeah, the camera is so that I can try out like actual old school film photography. And as far as I could figure out, it was like from the 60s, which is old. But it is a 35mm instead of the Polaroid camera I have laying around, which means it will be a lot easier to get film for it. Of course, a big part of me wanting to try this out is just because it's retro and cool. But also I've sort of found out that my iPhone and digital camera just makes things too easy for me, so I could technically put it on manual and then have to set the ISO and the shutter speed and all that. But I don't, because I don't have to. Which means I never get better at it. With this camera, I'm gonna have to. I've sort of been doing photography since like 2012. But my pictures kind of peaked in 2013 and haven't improved since. And that disappoints me greatly. So, hopefully, this will force me to get better. And if not, at least I'll be retro. Luke, have a great week. Don't forget to be awesome.